So I'm going to show you again how I use my bead spinner. So I have my seed beads, I have my needle that I'm using, I have my stretch cord, which is 0.5 millimeter. It's very thin and it works well with seed beads. So I'm going to take my needle and there's a little hole, and I'm gonna put the cord, so I'm not sure if you can see that. There's a little hole, and I'm gonna take my cord through the needle. Just as if I were sewing, if you've ever sewed. And sometimes it takes a minute. Okay, so it's through my needle now, and I'm going to turn my spinner on. Now I'm going to go in the opposite direction of the bead spinner. So I'm going to take my needle in whatever direction it's going in, which it should be going this way, but let's see. Okay, yes, so it's going clockwise. So I'm going to take it and place it in, going the opposite way. No. Let's see. We're going to put it the other way. Yes. So now it's going counterclockwise. Let's see. Let's move that. Okay. So we're going to try this. So little by little, that might be a little fast. This one's adjustable. When you find the perfect speed, see, and it just goes right up on your string. Actually, this isn't string, it's cord. And honestly, I could slow it down a little bit more probably. So let's do that. It just takes some practice finding what works on whatever bead you're working with. Primarily, like I said, I use this only with seed beads. I have tried it with clay beads, but I'm not so good at it. So as you can see, we've got a string. I'm not sure how this compares to a manual bead spinner. I don't have one because I frankly have gotten so frustrated with this one. I don't want to spend the money. So you can either make it all one color is what I'm doing, or if you want to add something, then you would take your cord off the hook. So we're going to add the turtle. Let's see, add the turtle. And then you would just add the rest of the beads to make the bracelet. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I will try and answer them. And again, I will link this spinner in case you're interested in the description box below. And I thank you so much for watching. Bye.